So while I'm talking about trauma healing and brain retraining and improving your nervous system capacity for stress, I want to talk about who might not be ready to do these types of programs or therapy. And that would be those who have an excess of high copper. So we want to look at more than just copper in the blood. We want to look at the copper to zinc ratio specifically. And when we have an excess of copper in the body, it acts as an excitotoxin in the brain, which is essentially going to drive up adrenaline and lower your dopamine, which is like the perfect storm for depression and anxiety. So with copper being high in the brain and high in the body, your nerve cells literally get stuck in a cell danger response, which makes it very, very challenging to try to process anything in our brain because our brain is on fire. It is that excitotoxin, which you think about energy. Copper is a driver of energy. Your brain is just overloaded, causing these anxious symptoms and depressive symptoms. And so when we start to manage that copper to zinc ratio and bring it back into a healthier space, your brain is not on fire so much anymore. And you have the capacity and the ability to process past traumas, to retrain the brain, to calm down the nervous system in a healthy way instead of trying to push your way through. It becomes a lot easier. So if you found that you are struggling in any of these areas, depression, anxiety, nervous system healing, you might want to get your copper and your zinc blood work checked out with a professional.